Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for latest update from Tutorial Different. Welcome back again, guys. Today we are going to talk about the wobble hypothesis, most important incident that happened in protoplasm. So what is it? Let's see. One anticodon recognize one codon as a time. That's pretty basic. That's rule says. Okay. Now question arises, what is anticodon? First of all, you have to know what is codon. If you haven't heard about it, so see my previous video, you will get it. So let's see what is anticodon first. Okay, you have to know what is anticodon if you are going to learn about wobble hypothesis. So you have to know both of them, anticodon or codon. Okay, let's see. As you can see in pic, tRNA with amino acid, that we call it amino acid tRNA complex, is reaching to mRNA site. Here the lower dome shape, we call it anticodon site, is attaching to codon site. So it's RNA site that recognize contemporary site on mRNA. So what is contemporary? Just opposite base attaching to each other. It's like purine to pyrimidine, pyrimidine to purine. But sometime one anticodon recognize more than one codon. That is wobble hypothesis. As you can see in this diagram, one anticodon AAG is recognizing two codon, triple U or UUC. Now in this triplet code, first two base is same, both is uracil and second is also uracil. Third base is different, as you can see in first is uracil and the second codon it is cytosine. We call it wobbly base. Wobbling is originally for third base of codon. Let's repeat it again. Anticodon AAG is recognizing two codon. One is UUU triple U and another one is UUC. Now I have circled around the third different base of codons. One is uracil and another one is cytosine. We call it wobbly base because wobbling is totally depending on this base. Okay, so that's the wobble hypothesis. So thanks guys.